You need to start that your business this year. Whether it's headwear making or fashion designing, whatever business that you have in mind, you need to start it this year. Meaning that the day we see evil, the evil enter ground. This year, we have entered this year. You must start. And let me tell you the reason why you have to start that your business this year. I don't care whatever business, okay? But if I'm in my industry, which is the headwear making business, let me tell you why you need to start headwear making business this year. You don't need a lot of capital. Trust me. When I started with pieces. I'll go to Mafe's house. Mafe, who is a fashion designer, give me pieces of clothes. I was using it to make bow ties, scrunchies, baby headbands with quarter yard piece, just few pieces I started. And that was it until I grew into making headwears. I remember that time I would go to church, I would drag my pastor, come and buy bow tie, by force, by fire, buy for choir members, buy for everybody, give them as gifts. I just wanted to make money, just do something. I was tired of staying at home. It wasn't like I was not well fed. No, this is not about having food to eat. It's about doing something for yourself. Having your own money. Enough of sitting down at home. It is a sin. In my own Bible, not the book of the Lord. In my Bible, it is a sin for you to wake up in the morning and fold your hand like this. Or you put on the TV, NTA 2, Channel 5, or Netflix. Or the worst of all, you start scrolling and moving from one app to another. And you are not a creator, and you are also not learning the skill to perfection. Or you are not even the one doing the business. Like, you can't do that this year. This is not one of the motivational speeches that you will hear out there. I'm just here to let you understand that Eliud Baribe did not stand today by just lounging. It started with a vision, a dream, and I just started. It wasn't like I had everything planned or figured out, or I was looking at my right and my left and say, this person is already doing headwear, this person is already making turban. All these turban people, they are plenty now. Oh, who will buy my own? I cannot charge what? No. You don't need a lot of capital. All you need is your sewing machine. I can tell you that the best thing that happened to me was that my manual, ideal sewing machine. When I bought that machine, I didn't even know what I was going to make with it. I just wanted to start something because naturally I'm creative with my hands. And after failing in many other businesses, I've sold yam. I've shared this story before, but let me say it here for emphasis sake so that you know that I've come a long way. I've sold yam, I've sold plantain, I've sold pepper, fresh pepper, fresh tomatoes, sachet tomatoes, semo. I've sold ogbono. Ogbono that, before butchering mix came, they call it oluchi. That manual machine that you'll be using it to grind the goosey like this. Okay, madam, what do you want? I should put small crayfish, and then you'll be grinding it manually. I was doing all of that, and I'm not saying the people that are doing it now are not human beings. That's not what I'm saying. But I'm saying that it is not also a bad thing for you to want to do more, for you to become more, for you to yearn for more. You can always be more. Whatever you are doing now, you can always be more. So it all started from failing from those businesses. It looks like I was a failure. But you cannot be down and not come up. It's when you are down and you stay down that you have failed. So irrespective of where you are right now, I'm telling you that you need to start. Start anyhow. It's not good though. It's not perfect though. Just start. Just start. You need to start. And if you want to do turban making, stop looking at everyone. There are even plenty now. It's not those turban that you will see in Lagos Island that they are selling 2,500. 3,000. No, you can be unique. You can be exceptional. Your brand is what will sell your product, and that's why you also need to be a creator. Put yourself out there. To all the shy ones that say, we create content last year has passed. This year is another chance. The second reason why you need to start your business, especially your headwear making business, is because you can determine how much you charge. So Lagbaja and Tamedu, they are charging 1,500 naira. Does not mean I will charge 1,500 naira. They are designers and they are designers. And we in these headwear industries, they are headwear designers and they are headwear designers. You can choose where you want to be. Someone said all fingers are not equal, but the question is, must your own be the shortest? Answer, because you need to ask yourself some questions. I don't have money, I don't have money. There's no money in the country, there's no money in the country. Why must you be the one joining them to say there is no money in the country? I'm not saying there are no challenges. There are challenges everywhere. But you choose where you want to be. In this same country, so there are people that are building houses, buying cars, owning businesses upon businesses, chains of businesses, and they are doing okay. Some will even use Naira to send their family members abroad to spend dollars. So choose where you want to belong to. This is not the year for you to carry your phone and be swiping. You know, on a normal day, I will not come out to say all of this, but I just looked back at the many people that I've trained. And out of the people that I have trained in Alliot by Ruby Headwear Academy, the people who come back to tell me that this is what they are doing now, and they are doing well, and I'm happy. So look at it. If I had not started making this stuff anyhow, I just started anyhow, how would I have been able to touch those lives, including you that you are watching me? Because as you are watching me now, it's not a mistake that you stumbled on this video. It's just a reminder that you can do better. You can charge any amount you want as long as you are a creative and you can work with your hands. If you're running a business now and you buy a product and it's a popular product, you can say, okay, now the amount that they sell for market be this. I know if you sell more than that. But there are some business owners that are selling way above the price that their peers are selling. And when you go online, vendor A can be selling this same product for 10,000 naira or 10,000 pounds, or no, not 10,000 pounds. Let's say 1,000 pounds or 500 pounds or 300 pounds. Vendor Q can be selling her own way more than that. So you cannot tell me that everywhere is saturated. You cannot charge. You can charge as you get better. I charge now because I've had experience. I have experience in this headwear making business, and those who appreciate my work will come looking for me, and then I charge them and they pay, and they don't even stress me. But you need to start. Come on, think about the people that will benefit from your business. Think about the customers that you put smiles on their faces. Imagine somebody coming to me that, please, my wedding is next tomorrow. I don't know what happened. My vendor messed up the ashoke, or messed up the gele, or messed up something. I need you to do something very urgent to save the day. You are saving the day, my dear. And you can charge a lot for that. You have put smile on that bride's face. Because imagine a bride with a traditional outfit without gele, and maybe somebody that wants to tie the gele is not available on time, and you can tell them that, oh, I can just whip something up if you can pay me so amount. They will pay you. So what I'm trying to say is that you can charge whatever amount you want, depending on how good you are and how you are willing to improve on this skill. You can start with zero capital. You can start with, you know, and one thing about people, they don't usually like to take it one step at a time. Some people reach out to me, I want to learn headwear making in 1 week. You cannot learn headwear making in 1 week, my darling. You will look at my own outcome now and say that is where you want to be now in the next 1 week. Because I did not get here in the next one, in 1 week. So if I started 7 years ago and I'm here, if you start today, it will take some time. But not starting at all, that's where the issue lies. And you cannot keep comparing yourself to those who are putting in the work and grinding every single day. So this is a reminder again that if you are a mother and you are watching this video, your children are watching you. They are looking at you, studying what you are doing every single day. If they see that you are a hard-working mother, They will model that character and become hardworking as well, because they see how you take them to your shop on weekends, they see how you work, they see how you shop, they see how you juggle. And it's actually mom friendly, let me put it like that. You can determine how long you work. You can determine what order you take. You can determine what job you take. You can determine, like, there's nothing as beautiful as running your own business. Running your own business gives you the opportunity to live the life that you dream of. You can only imagine. Take, for example, I can determine, okay, Mondays to film, Tuesdays to rest, Wednesdays to create orders, bespoke orders, Thursday, you know, you can have a timetable and follow it if you run your own business. So, 2025 is another year. I don't want you to be giving me all those excuses. And for those of you who will join my classes and you will not practice, don't join my class this year. I'm begging you in the name of God. The reason why I'm putting in the sweat to film those videos, either free or paid, if you're not going to practice, why waste your energy? Why? I could have just said, Shibi, you have paid me. Then I don't have any business with you. If you like, practice. If you like, don't practice. You need to see the way I will be going to those groups and be telling them, you will see me in your dream. Some people are owing me practical. You need to see me in the Telegram group, in my paid classes, how I drill them and I ginger them and I praise those who submit practicals. Because that is just the only way. And this is why I love the Igbo apprentice model. They think long term. But what do we get? Some people will join class, they will not practice. They will now wait till the day somebody send them that picture of that design. They say, oh, I took a class on this design. They will go back, they'll go and check. They'll go and check. And when they now do the design, they make it and they have issues. They'll now be messaging admin at 11 p.m. in the night. Ma is urgent, Sa is urgent. And you had like 3 months, 4 months, even a year to watch and practice. Why do we practice? Why do we learn? It's so that no design can catch me unawares. Me now, as I'm here, like gudu ni mi figbakon turale. What that means is that I'm always kajad, ready. I practice a lot. Even the one I don't need, plus the one I need, plus the one I don't even, I can't even imagine myself doing it in the next 2 years. I will still learn it. And funny enough, before you know, somebody will just come, please, can you make this? And I'm like, small something. I will make it, and then I'll collect my money. So you need to think long term. Don't come and say, I want to learn headwear in 1 week. I want to learn headwear in 3 days. It's not hard now. If it is not hard, I would have stopped learning. It's not like it's hard. Not literally hard. But what is required is consistent learning and practicing. So don't say because I say you should go and start business this year now. In fact, there are many ways you can even start. By the time you learn, while you are learning, you can start advertising, get the job, outsource it to those that can make it well while you keep learning. I don't advise that you go into a business that you don't have any idea of. But you need to learn. So if you want to join internship and apprenticeship program for 2025, like I said, you can join at any time of the year. It's a period of 6 months for the apprentice, and it's a period of 3 months for the intern. Intern is for those who have knowledge, they have basic knowledge, they just want to upgrade. And then you're going to come into our factory, you see how we create designs for our clients. That's how you learn. It is not a structured class. Then the apprenticeship is for those who don't have any knowledge at all. Even if you don't know how to sew, you can come in. You can come in and learn how to sew. Is that flexible? And class holds twice a week. When you come to learn twice every week, and then you go back on the rest of the week, you practice, and then you do other things while you are learning. In no time, you will start making money. That is my own promise, and that is my joy. So, hit me up right now on the number in the description box. You can send a direct message regarding how you can join the internship and apprenticeship program in Lagos or in Ibadan. So we have 2 branches. You can join in any of these branches. Reach out so that I can know if we have space for you, because we have to screen you before you come in. We don't want unserious people in our space. So, having said that, I hope you have learned something today, and I hope you are going to promise me that you are going to start something, either learning or the business. Just start something. Enough of not doing anything. And I want to see that you are what? Making money. So thank you for joining me. My name is Angela. Till I see you in my next video. Bye for now.